Alright, as soon as I see that I have a division problem, I am going to multiply by the reciprocal. And when I say reciprocal, I'm turning this second fraction upside down. So first of all, I have 2n squared over n plus 1. I just brought that straight down. I'm going to turn this into a multiplication problem as I multiply by the reciprocal. So the 8n plus 8 goes in the numerator and the 8 goes in the denominator. Now I'm looking to see if anything will factor. So nothing factors over here, so I just bring down my 2n squared over n plus 1. Now the numerator has a common factor of 8. So I'm going to factor out that 8, and then I've got n plus 1 over 8. Okay, so now I'm noticing that I have a common factor of, I have n plus 1 in the numerator and n plus 1 in the denominator. Now that it's a multiplication problem, it's a lot like this is one big fraction. Okay, so if I have n plus 1 in the numerator and n plus 1 in the denominator, I can cancel those out. Even though I'm canceling them out, there's still a restriction. Okay, n cannot equal negative 1. Alright, because of this right here. So even though I'm canceling it out, it still gives me a restriction. Alright, if I set n plus 1 equal to 0, that gives me negative 1. So n cannot equal negative 1. Anyway, moving on with the problem, also I see that I have an 8 in the top and the bottom, so those are going to cancel out. So really, the only thing left is the 2n squared. Alright, so I'm going to have 2n squared. So that is the final answer with the restriction that n cannot equal negative 1.